I've been with veterans for the past, I think 3 months now, 4 months. Doing great. Yeah, Chris is, he's an awesome boss, takes care of us, brings us food, brings his drinks. It's not from the crane, it's from Chris. I was in HVAC before. So there's a big difference working for Chris and where I was before. Chris actually cares about his people. He makes sure that we're always good. He built us pack out with food in them, coolers and drinks, and always shows up to every job site, make sure I get like 4 phone calls to make sure that we're good. And it's not like, hey, I'm checking up on you, see you're doing your job. It's more of a, how are you guys? You guys doing okay? It makes us feel cared about. Appreciate it.